The juxtaposition of incongruity. That's the term they call it. Juxtaposition of incongruity. You know, merging of the incompatible. Merging of the incompatible. You know, taking two things that are mutually exclusive, placing them side by side and finding a single common denominator they share. Juxtaposition of incongruity. And what juxtaposition of incongruity does is
Pathological compulsion and promiscuity.
And empathy a lot of times too, right?
Yeah, empathy, of course, yeah. And empathy is one of those things I spend extensive time researching in terms of is this biological?
So let us discuss ambiguity. You know, what is ambiguity? You know, ambiguity means indecisiveness, uncertainty, triple or more interpretations, and within some syntactical context, vagueness. So, ambiguity is not vague, and vague is not ambiguity. Ambiguity may be vague with